Think you need millions of views to make money on YouTube? Think again. Today, on Talk Billions to Me, we reveal how small creators are earning thousands without going viral. Stay until the end. Your journey to financial freedom might just start today. Subscribe for more secrets they never wanted you to hear. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, is the traditional route. Requirements? 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. But here's the myth. It's not just about ads. Many creators earn less than $3 per 1,000 views from ads. Real money comes from combining multiple income streams, and we're about to show you how. Subscribe now if you're ready to think beyond AdSense. Affiliate marketing is your secret weapon. You don't need a big audience. You need targeted content. Example. A small tech review channel with 800 subscribers promotes Amazon products. Even with 2,000 views a month, they pull $500 or more monthly just from affiliate links. Pro tip: focus on high-ticket items and evergreen content. Think sponsors only care about huge numbers? Wrong. Sponsors want engaged audiences, not just big audiences. Micro-influencers with under 5,000 subscribers are landing sponsorships worth $100 to $500 per video, especially in niche markets like fitness, finance, gaming, and tech. Smash that subscribe button if you want our upcoming episode on how to pitch brands like a pro. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a marketplace. Small creators are launching ebooks, digital courses, merch, coaching services, and keeping 100% of the profit. Example, a small fitness channel sells $20 workout plans. 50 sales equals $1,000 without millions of views. Remember, your subscribers are not just viewers, they are customers in waiting. You don't even need to be on camera. Faceless channels in niches like finance, history, and tech reviews are booming. AI tools create scripts, narrations, thumbnails, everything. Example, channels like Success Archive or Motivation Core generate $3,000 to $10,000 per month, without showing a single face. Automation equals scalability plus passive income. YouTube is not just for influencers or celebrities, it's a machine, and if you know how, you can turn it into your personal money printer. Start small, start smart. The secret isn't followers, it's strategy. Subscribe to Talk Billions to Me and discover how ordinary people are building extraordinary wealth.